Today, we're diving into the stories of 13 cars that reshaped our world. These aren't just vehicles, they're landmarks in automotive history that introduced new technologies, defined cultural trends, and made daily transportation what it is today. Each car on our list has a unique legacy, from pioneering affordable travel to pushing the limits of luxury and performance. We'll explore how these cars went beyond mere transportation, influencing everything from city planning to environmental policies, and how they continue to impact our lives. Let's kick off our journey with the Ford Model T, the car that put the world on wheels. Introduced in 1908 by Henry Ford, the Model T revolutionized transportation and American industry. It was the first car that was affordable enough for the average American family thanks to the assembly line, a groundbreaking production method that significantly reduced cost while increasing output. But the Model T did more than just provide affordable transportation. It fundamentally changed the way we live and work. It turned cars from luxury items into essentials, enabling people to live farther from their workplaces and thus shaping the development of suburbs. It also stimulated road construction and increased demand for gasoline, and created a ripple effect that influenced numerous other industries. The Ford Model T wasn't just a car, it was a catalyst for change, sparking a mobility revolution that transformed society. Its impact was so profound that by the time production ended in 1927, nearly 15 million units had been sold, making it one of the best-selling cars of all time. This car didn't just change automotive history, it set the course for the modern world. Next up is the Volkswagen Beetle, a car that became an icon of simplicity and reliability. Designed in the 1930s by Ferdinand Porsche on the orders of Adolf Hitler to be the people's car, or Volkswagen in German, it went on to become one of the most recognizable and beloved vehicles in the world. Despite its controversial beginnings, the Beetle became synonymous with the 1960s counterculture, symbolizing freedom and affordable mobility. Its unique shape, air-cooled engine, and durable design allowed it to thrive on roads worldwide, from the autobahns of Germany to the rugged landscapes of South America. The Beetle's influence extended beyond just automotive design. It played a crucial role in democratizing car ownership in the post-war era. By the time production finally ceased in 2003, over 21 million units had been produced, making the Beetle one of the best-selling cars of all time. Moving on, let's take a look at the Mini, a small car that made a big impact. Introduced in 1959 by the British Motor Corporation, the Mini was designed in response to the Suez Crisis, which had caused fuel shortages across the United Kingdom. Its creator, Alekis Agonis, was tasked with designing a small, fuel-efficient car that could still carry 4 adults. The Mini broke the mold with its transverse engine front-wheel drive layout, which maximized the interior space despite the car's tiny footprint. This design not only revolutionized compact car engineering, but also made the Mini incredibly fun to drive, earning it a cult status among car enthusiasts. Its appeal wasn't limited to the general public. The Mini became a symbol of British culture in the 1960s, embraced by celebrities and even appearing prominently in films like The Italian Job. Its popularity proved that small could be smart, stylish, and exciting, influencing a generation of car makers and car buyers alike. The Mini was more than just a car. It was a statement that great things come in small packages, challenging the norms of automotive design and consumer expectations. Now let's turn our attention to the Toyota Prius, a car that heralded a new era in automotive technology. Launched in 1997, the Prius was the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. The Prius became a hit, especially among environmentally conscious consumers, thanks to its innovative use of technology to increase efficiency. It showcased Toyota's commitment to sustainability and quickly became a symbol of eco-friendly transportation. Its success spurred other automakers to invest in hybrid technology, significantly impacting the auto industry's approach to reducing its environmental footprint. The Prius demonstrated that eco-friendly cars could be practical, popular, and profitable, paving the way for the electric vehicles that are increasingly common today, By making hybrid technology accessible and appealing, the Prius changed not only how cars are powered, but also how they are perceived by the global public. Next on our list is the Tesla Model S, a car that has redefined what electric vehicles can be. Introduced in 2012, the Model S shattered the existing stereotypes of electric cars as slow, inefficient, and with limited range. Tesla's Model S brought cutting-edge technology and high performance to the electric vehicle market, featuring a sleek design and a range that exceeded 250 miles on a single charge, far surpassing earlier EVs. Its impressive acceleration and top speed rival those of luxury gasoline-powered cars, making it a desirable choice for car enthusiasts as well as environmental advocates. Moreover, the Model S has played a crucial role in pushing the auto industry toward electric mobility. Its success proved there is a significant market for electric vehicles and spurred traditional car manufacturers to accelerate their own electric vehicle programs. By combining luxury, performance, and zero emissions, the Tesla Model S has not only changed public perception of electric vehicles, but has also spurred a shift in the automotive industry toward a more sustainable future. Shifting our focus to an entirely different type of vehicle, let's explore the Google Street View cars. These aren't your typical roadsters or family sedans. Instead, they are specialized vehicles equipped with 360-degree cameras designed to map the world. Launched in 2007, Google Street View cars have revolutionized how we view and navigate our surroundings. By providing panoramic views of streets around the globe, these cars have helped millions to virtually explore unknown areas, plan routes, or simply visit a street halfway across the world from the comfort of their homes. These cars don't just capture images, they gather data that enhances Google Maps, making it an invaluable tool for businesses and consumers alike. They have documented roads, landmarks, and neighborhoods, continuously updating and expanding Google's vast database. The next car on our list is the McLaren F1, a vehicle that not only broke speed records but also redefined what a supercar could be. Introduced in 1992, the McLaren F1 was more than just fast. It was a masterpiece of engineering, designed with an attention to detail that was unprecedented in the automotive industry. The McLaren F1's carbon fiber body was extremely lightweight, which, when combined with its powerful BMW V12 engine, allowed it to reach speeds previously unheard of for a road car. Its top speed of 240 miles per hour made headlines around the world and secured its place as the fastest production car of its time. What truly set the McLaren F1 apart was its unique seating arrangement. The driver's seat was placed centrally in the car, flanked by two passenger seats, providing a driving experience similar to that of a Formula One racer. Next in our lineup is the Audi Quattro, a car that changed the face of rally racing and influenced automotive engineering across the globe. Introduced in the early 1980s, the Quattro was the first to bring four-wheel drive to the mainstream performance car market, proving its value beyond doubt in competitive racing. The Audi Quattro dominated the rally scene with its superior traction, particularly in adverse weather conditions, setting new standards for what performance cars could achieve on and off the track. Its success in the World Rally Championship not only made the Quattro a legend, but also showcased the potential of all-wheel drive in passenger vehicles, influencing an entire generation of car design. Beyond the racetrack, the Quattro made significant contributions to improving vehicle safety and stability, making all-wheel drive a desirable feature in non-racing contexts as well. Its legacy continues to influence the design and engineering of all modern Audi vehicles, and has paved the way for the widespread adoption of all-wheel drive systems in cars around the world. With its innovative technology and competitive spirit, the Audi Quattro didn't just win races, it permanently shifted automotive paradigms. Moving on, let's explore the Nissan Qashqai, a vehicle that pioneered the crossover segment and reshaped consumer expectations around the globe. Launched in 2007, the Qashqai combined the compact size and fuel efficiency of a hatchback with the power and space of an SUV, creating a new category entirely: the crossover. This innovative blend quickly caught on, proving popular in urban and suburban settings thanks to its versatility. The Qashqai's appeal lay in its ability to offer the best of both worlds. It was nimble enough for city driving while providing the rugged functionality needed for weekend adventures. Its success inspired a flurry of competitors, essentially birthing a booming market segment that continues to grow. The Nissan Qashqai not only set new standards for vehicle design, but also demonstrated how automakers could innovate to meet evolving consumer needs in a changing world. By carving out a niche that didn't previously exist, the Qashqai has left a lasting impact on the automotive landscape. Next, let's take a closer look at the Land Rover Defender, a vehicle that defines rugged capability and adventure. First introduced in 1948 and continually refined over decades, the Defender has become synonymous with durability and off-road excellence. This iconic SUV was designed for the toughest terrains, from African savannas to the mountainous regions of the Himalayas. Its robust build and versatile design have made it a favorite among farmers, explorers, and even royalty. The Defender's ability to traverse difficult landscapes with ease has also made it a vital vehicle for aid organizations and military units around the world. The Land Rover Defender is more than just a car. It's a tool that has helped people overcome geographical challenges and harsh environments. Its enduring design and functionality demonstrate the profound impact that thoughtful engineering can have on mobility and access in the most demanding situations. With its recent redesign, the Defender continues to blend tradition with modern technology, proving that even the most time-tested vehicles can evolve to meet contemporary needs without losing their essence. We now turn to the Chevrolet Corvette, often hailed as America's sports car. Since its debut in 1953, the Corvette has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts with its stunning design and exceptional performance. The Corvette was one of the first mass-produced cars in the United States to embody the spirit of a true sports car, combining striking looks with raw power. It introduced fiberglass body construction, which not only reduced the car's weight but also allowed for more innovative designs. Over the decades, the Corvette has continuously evolved, incorporating advanced technology and engineering to enhance its performance and appeal. It has set benchmarks in the sports car segment, from introducing the first fuel injection system in a passenger vehicle to pioneering the use of lightweight materials and powerful, efficient engines. The Corvette's legacy is not just built on speed and aesthetics, it represents the pioneering American spirit and the pursuit of excellence. It's a symbol of freedom and an icon that has stood the test of time, continually pushing the boundaries of what American sports cars can achieve. Now, let's explore the Bugatti Veyron, a marvel of modern automotive engineering that redefined the limits of speed and luxury. When it debuted in 2005, the Veyron was more than just a car. It was a supercar that pushed the boundaries of what was mechanically possible. With a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, the Veyron was crowned the fastest production car in the world at the time. Its engine, an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16, is akin to combining two V8 engines, delivering unparalleled power and an astonishing 1,000 horsepower. But the Veyron wasn't just about raw speed, it also set new standards for luxury and sophistication in supercars. Its interior featured high-end materials and exquisite craftsmanship, blending performance with elegance in a way few cars have ever managed. The impact of the Veyron goes beyond just its impressive specs. It challenged other automakers to explore new technologies and push the envelope of performance and design, sparking a new era in the automotive world where extreme speed meets extreme luxury. Turning our attention to a true war hero, the Jeep Willys MB, a vehicle that not only played a pivotal role during World War II, but also became the blueprint for the modern off-road vehicle. Introduced in the early 1940s, the Willys MB was designed to meet the U.S. Army's demand for a rugged, dependable military vehicle. The Willys MB, commonly known as the Jeep, was compact, lightweight, and extremely capable in rough terrain, attributes that made it invaluable in the war effort across various theaters of operation. Its ability to navigate through mud, snow, and sand helped Allied forces gain strategic advantages in numerous battles. After the war, the Willys MB transitioned from military service to civilian life, evolving into the civilian Jeep models that are popular around the world today. This transition marked the beginning of the off-road enthusiast culture and influenced the development of all modern SUVs and off-road vehicles. The Jeep Willys MB stands as a testament to the versatility and durability of military engineering, leaving a lasting legacy on both military and civilian automotive landscapes. It didn't just help win a war, it opened up new possibilities for personal and recreational vehicle use, enduring as a symbol of adventure and freedom. Which of these 13 cars do you think had the most significant impact on the world? Share your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing stories. Drop your answer in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.